everyone, welcome to the live stream of EP Equipment's 8th annual 629 new product launch. I'm your host, Cecilia. Autonomous is sweeping the globe. Right here at EP Factory, we're hosting an innovation summit reshaping material handling and a digital showcase, paving the way to the future. I'm standing in the entry walkway of EP 8th 629 New Tech New Model Launch event. Look this way. To be a respected Chinese enterprise worldwide, this isn't just a mission EP team has lived for over 2 decades. It's the starting point of every innovation we pursue as a Chinese brand. As a global tech enterprise, EP stays true to our original aspiration, making material handling simpler and greener. Backed by robust products and worldwide footprint, we serve global markets with a global operation mindset and localized strategies, growing to an internationally competitive industry leader. Today, EP runs 13 factories across the globe with production sites covering nearly 133.5 hectares, over 4,500 employees, 37 operational subsidiaries, and more than 100 local service teams. We deliver all-in-one material movement solutions to clients worldwide, fulfilling our grand vision, leading the green, smart, and the digital transformation from basic material handling to fully digital intelligent mobility. Guided by this mission, EP has stood at the forefront of every industry transformation. Third transformation happening right now. Xmover, EP's smart tech brand, builds a 3-tier digital movement ecosystem covering product level, model level, and system level, bringing material handling to material moving. This will showcase our 4 core application scenarios: transport, warehousing, picking, and loading and unloading. We will show practical, deployable autonomous solutions for each part. Let's go. This is the static robot zone for today's event. As you can see, these are EP's full lineup of Xmover robots. We have over many kinds of robots on display, spanning 9 categories: AMR, automatic pallet trunk, autonomous pallet trunk, stackers, reach trunks, narrow aisle stacker, forklift, tongue tractor, and the embodied AI robot. This product portfolio lays a solid hardware foundation of EP's 4 scenario solutions. Up next, we will walk you through our fully integrated hardware and software autonomous movement solutions that have already been deployed and put into real use. This event covers our 4 core scenarios: transport, warehousing, picking, and loading and unloading. We're creating the full factory workflow from raw material intake to finished goods delivery. Every stage runs autonomously on Xmover robots to enable fully digital intelligent material flow. Straight ahead lies our first loading and unloading zone, the starting point of the entire workflow: material unloading. Loading and unloading areas always have mixed human-robot traffic. Autonomous upgrade here faces multiple pain points: inconsistent truck parking position, high labor costs, varying vehicle dimensions, and mismatched load carriers. EP's embodied AI loading and unloading series leverages multi-modal perception, combining 3D LiDAR and embodied vision. These robots require no ground markers or manual teaching. They automatically detect carriage dimension, vehicle posture, and create outlines, generate motion paths dynamically, and offset positioning deviations in real time. No matter how the truck parks, the robot autonomously executes high-precision fork picking. The product lineup covers load capacities from 1.5 tons to 3.5 tons, compatible with trunks, containers, and covered vans. It truly animates bottleneck and the final link of unmanned logistics. This slide demonstrates truck loading and unloading. The average circle time for each pallet is 60 seconds. Pallet gaps can be as narrow as under 2 centimeters. It works seamlessly with pallets, cage beams, metal wireframes, and other carriers. Beyond the wing track setup shown here, we also support intelligent loading and unloading for flatbed, trunks, and the rear door trunks. Over here is our railway container unloading scenario. Powered by deep gradient radar detection, the robot accurately identifies pallet heights and posters even inside dock containers, and the surgeons is focused perfectly for picking. The average circle time is 90 seconds per pallet. In addition, container loading and unloading can also be carried out. How do materials unloaded by embodied AI robots get distributed to different working zones? To adapt to diverse transport working conditions, EP has built a robot product portfolio with a full range of transport, covering entry-level, high-speed, heavy-duty, narrow aisle, and omnidirectional modes. It's a complete digital intelligent transfer solution. Here are point-to-point automatic pallet truck, designed for simple entry-level transport tasks with zero deployment barriers, no Wi-Fi required. Just teach the routine manually, then press one button to start operation. XPA152, this AI pallet truck supports warehouse zoning with 4-point positioning. It needs no reflectors, QR codes, or dedicated network, and requires no site renovation. Simply impose start and end points, and it can identify storage locations independently to finish full circle picking and delivery automatically. EP also develops thin bag robots for narrow aisle transport, represented by XP1152 and XP1201 right here. Featuring a compact body, they can link up with elevators and automatic doors, perfectly fitting long-distance, narrow aisle, and high-speed transport scenarios. This robot is capable of transporting goods in aisles as narrow as 1.5 meters, ideal for high-density warehouse layouts, unlike standard underwide HVs, which cannot directly fork pallets. This robot supports a wide range of carriers. Once transport is complete, we move to warehousing. Please walk with me. We've covered the receiving, loading and unloading, and the automatic transport. Where do all these goods go for storage? The answer lies in this autonomous warehouse behind me. Warehousing is the core hub of entire logistic chain. Traditional warehouses suffer from universal pain points: slow outbound raw output, poor space utilization, and outdated inventory data. EP's all-in-one solution is summed up in a simple slogan: stack everything, store anywhere. Our system fits all warehouse layouts, includes racking and no-aisle stacking. Let's start at this standard rack display. Many clients still use conventional racks, and EP's warehouse robots enable fast, intelligent warehouse retrofits. XS1201, the 2-ton ultra-thin pallet stack robot, can stack goods onto high bay racks up to a height of 6 meters. Next, the XEC151 counterbalance stacking robot, built for rack stacking, is standard wide aisles. It is compatible with different carriers. XQC163 1.6-ton indoor reach trunk reaches a maximum lifting height of 8 meters to fully utilizing unused top rack storage space. Warehousing connects seamlessly with order picking. After goods are automatically stored on high racks, how do we retrieve them on demand? Let's move to the picking part. Order picking is one of the most labor-intensive and high-risk warehouse operations. Now, let's focus on HORD2A500, which solves the safety risks, fatigue, and operational difficulties of high-level ranking. XORD2A5 00 is equipped with dual arms and works at heights up to 10 meters. Upon receiving picking orders from the DA system, it autonomously travels to the target storage location and feeds into position. Operators remotely control its robotic arms and unpack and finish goods, which are then placed into its front storage bin. The robot lowers back down so staff can easily collect items. The whole workflow is efficiently and safe. This machine supports dual operation models: for automatic mode for regular picking tasks. For complex jobs such as unpacking and inventory inspection, you can switch to remote control with one tap, eliminating full hazards from high-place work. In the high-rack zone just now, we saw how robots neatly utilize vertical space above 8 meters in tight areas. However, warehouses often face another common challenge: heavy goods and the large pallets that demand the high load capacity and wider aisle clearance. That's where this machine comes in. Take a look at this 4.5 meter standard rack area beside me. The unit in operation here is our omnidirectional reach robot. Unlike the compact models we saw earlier, it's a heavy-duty powerhouse, yet far from cumbersome. Equipped with an omnidirectional cases, it can travel sideways, forward, diagonally, and spin in places around the certain aisles, maneuvering freely even in confined spaces. Its extendable forks reach deep into rack base for ultra-precise load picking up and placement. Once finished products roll off the production line, they need to be transported back into storage. We have a warehouse robot on display, the XF0151 omnidirectional warehouse robot. It integrates loading and unloading, storage, and material transfer to fit all working scenarios. Fitted with an omnidirectional cases, it spins on the spot inside the narrow aisles and works with all carriers, including two-way pallets, racks, and cage bins. One single machine automates the full workflow from loading and warehousing to transit. Alright everyone, we've walked through the entire end-to-end workflow: incoming cargo loading and unloading, autonomous transport, warehousing, production line picking and processing, and the finished goods return storage. The final step, outbound loading onto vehicles, is also fully handled by EP's embodied loading and unloading equipment with one-stop solutions tailored for both containers and trunks. That wraps up our full demonstration of the miniature autonomous factory. There are more highlights waiting for you across the exhibition area, so please follow me to keep exploring. This area is a no-aisle storage zone for large goods. Shuttle vehicles travel deep inside the rack aisles to stack goods tightly, cutting wasted aisle space and greatly boosting storage capacity within the same warehouse footprint. Shuttle system boost space utilization yet rely on fixed racks. EP's revolutionary digital dense stacking system eliminates rack aisles entirely. Goods stacked directly on the ground with fully automatic storage and retrieval. This demo supports aisle-free dense stacking with 5 types of carriers powered by customized reach stacker robots. Optimized body and out-trigger design let the machine operate within just 1,440 millimeters wide aisles. This model slashes real estate and rack investments. It connects to the DAA's intelligent dispatching system for unified equipment management and flexible capacity expansion, delivering superior cost performance. The core logic of warehouse optimization is to utilize vertical height and cut aisle footprint. The DSP order picking system and no-aisle stacking deliver high-density storage for small goods and goods. This high-level narrow aisle solution targets heavy large racks that cannot be stacked in narrow aisles. Many warehouses waste upper space and regular machines fail to navigate narrow lines. Yet, EP's narrow aisle robots fully unlock idle storage capacity. We also offer narrow aisle stackers with dual side forks. They access goods on both rack sides without turning. No aisle vision or rack reconstruction is needed. The rack replacement with existing racks enables instant deployment. XNA151 also requires just 1.74 meter aisles and lifts loads up to 13 meters. XCS101 one-ton single-side stacking robot fixed low sideways with no U-turns for narrow aisle operation. It works with various carriers, storage cages, wooden crates, automotive racks, and standard pallets. EP delivers integrated hardware and software solutions for industry-specific scenarios to boost the client's operational efficiency. Our intelligent DC solution addresses airport cargo terminals pain points, error-prone manual handling, complicated routes, tough cross-zone transport, loose slot management, and slow outbound scheduling. It's built for large sorting hubs with 2-ton load capacity and 2.5 meters per second max speed for long-distance transit. Robots auto-detect empty spots upon arrival and store goods instantly. They also have a coordinated system by auto-allocating, optimal routing and traffic control for much higher throughput. They have laser scanners, audio-visual alarms, emergency stops, and staged deceleration to protect staff and cargo. Beyond airport cargo scenarios, EP also delivers complete intelligence solutions tailored for e-commerce logistics. The XPL201P is designed for large e-commerce sorting hubs. Manual sorting and transport involve long walking distances and strenuous labor. This robot has a top travel speed of 2.5 meters per second with a 2-ton loading capacity, replacing 3 to 5 manual workers per unit. It supports free storage operation. Upon arriving at the unloading room, it automatically detects empty space and stacks goods in flexible multi-row layouts. No ground marking or fixed storage bays are needed. Goods can be stored on arrival, quickly boosting sorting flexibility. The XPS omnidirectional narrow aisle robot solves narrow space issues in textile factories and legacy sorting centers where conventional trucks cannot turn smoothly. It works in aisles as narrow as 1.8 meters and turning radius under 0.8 meters. The single fork XPF101 handles thin, diagonal goods such as fabric rolls, which tilts. The dual fork XPF102 transports multi-carriages at once, doubling throughput efficiency. No factory restriction is required, and it can be put into operation immediately after delivery and maximize underutilized narrow aisle space. The XSL201i high-speed integrated loading and handling machine covers full workflows including loading and unloading, transit, and production line connection. Its dual pallet side shift structure boosts operational efficiency, while the dual stage must enables simultaneous pickup and set staking. It exchanges signals with accessible lines and robotic arms to deliver continuous material feeding and uninterrupted production. One machine fulfills multiple tasks: container, box truck, loading and unloading, dual pallet transfer, and production line material supply. The height of XCD062 Ultra Slim AGV stands only 125 millimeters, Stand e-commerce rolling cages have a ground clearance of roughly 200 millimeters, which most regular under-ride robots cannot fit into. This model slides under cages without adding carrier modification, with a rated load of 600 kilograms. Even if cages are placed randomly, the robot autonomously locates, fits, and transports them. It navigates narrow aisles smoothly and docks precisely with conveyor line, perfectly matching e-commerce warehouse operating conditions. Apart from customized digital intelligence solutions tailored for specific industries, we also deliver dedicated smart upgrading packages for special carriers. Let's go take a closer look. Globally, low-profile pallets see an annual consumption of 35 million units, with a daily circulation of 120,000 pallets. They serve over 2,000 clients across more than 50 countries. Yet, specialized equipment to support the full workflow has long been missing. EP has developed exclusive robots through an in-depth scenario research to enable intelligent full chain transport, storage, and loading and unloading for low-profile pallets. The XCD202Y AMR connected the assembly line here works with all stand and non-stand paper pallets. It can autonomously identify and adapt to different pallets, execute stable for pickup and transport, and connect to the end of the production line. The XCS201I is engineered for container loading and unloading and layered stacking inside warehouses. Equipped with cargo dimension recognition and guide rails mounted on its forks, it glides smoothly under ultra-low pallets. Its dual upper and lower fork design allows simultaneous storage and retrieval of multiple layers of goods in one single pass, doubling efficiency for container unloading and in-warehouse layered stacking. One machine handles both loading and unloading and stacking, greatly cutting labor costs and working hours. There you go. XP1152.2 autonomous pallet trunk. Its fork thickness is merely 45 millimeters. The ultra-thin single fork and double fork versions enable smooth pallet entry and retrieval for low-profile pallets. For resolving airport cargo transportation challenges, EP also offers the high-efficiency autonomous airport tow tractor. It can tow a maximum load of 3 tons and equipped with multiple safety features. While ensuring airport cargo safety, it efficiently connects the logistics between terminal buildings and intelligent upgrading of airport ground logistics. That brings us to the end of the 2026 EP629 new product launch. Thank you for your watching, and also thank you to everyone behind the scenes. Our new products and technologies are designed to make handling simpler, more efficient, and smarter. We hope to move with you from material handling